Now, I've been using the Camon 16 for a while now, and I've come to realize that some people that own this device do not know they can shoot slow motion videos with it. So I'll be showing you guys how to do it using the phone. So first you need to launch the camera app, and after you launch it, you should swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then select slow motion. Now you have two options, the 120 frames per second option and the 240 FPS option. The only difference between them is that 120 FPS will record slow motion videos for as long as your available memory can handle, while the other one records videos that are 10 seconds long. But the slow motion is slower, way slower. And that's basically all. If you want to see slow motion samples or picture samples, or if you just want to read the full review of the phone, then click the link in the description. Alright, bye bye.